My wounded civilian family. I want to talk about the Boko Haram, the Islamic Boko Haram in the zoo country, Nigeria. And talk about the brain-dead Buhari and the fake Dapshi girls, the one they said they just released. But before I start, let me take you people to the Middle East, to Lebanon to be precise. Lebanon is Arab kind of country, it's Arab country, you know. And they have one Islamic terrorist group there, so powerful, so strong. And the name of this terrorist group is Hezbollah. Hezbollah is well-equipped Islamic terrorist group. Hezbollah is so strong. Their boys, their fighters is well-trained. So they are so strong to the extent the government of their country, that's Lebanon government paid them for peace to reign in Lebanon. Lebanon government paid them. Even Iran is the one funding them. The Iran is the one funding them. And Lebanon, I mean the Hezbollah Islamic terrorist group, Israel is their greatest enemy. And some European countries, especially America, is their greatest enemy. America and Israel and some European countries is their greatest enemy. You understand me? So they are fighting alongside now with Bashar al-Assad. Since the America won the Bashar al-Assad out, since the Hezbollah is against America, so they have to defend Bashar al-Assad. You know, that's what they are doing now, and people are dying in Syria. But that is not what I'm here to talk about. I just want to make some points. Let's come back home now. In Nigeria, they are trying to introduce, that is what they are trying to do in Nigeria. Like I said before, in Lebanon, this Hezbollah Islamic terrorist group, they don't hide. They don't hide anymore because the government is afraid of them. The government is funding them. Iran is funding them. They don't hide to the extent that the youth of that country, when they grow up, what they do, they prefer to join the Hezbollah fighter than to join the security force in their country, because in Hezbollah, they pay you well. And it is an Islamic kind of terrorist group. They feel when they die, you go to Allah's heaven. So they don't like, they prefer to join the Hezbollah and be an Islamic fighter, you know, than to join the Lebanon government. So they don't hide their face. It is so open. They do their own, so they open, so they don't hide their face. So that is what they are trying, Buhari is trying to introduce in Nigeria. You know, Buhari don't like it, you know, the way Boko Haram is hiding, they will bomb and go and hide, they will kill and go and hide. Buhari don't like that. Buhari want to upgrade the Boko Haram. That is his mission. That is why Buhari is the president today. So we have been fighting him. And he's fighting back too. Can't you see what is happening in Nigeria? Now that's the reason, the main reason why we will fight to make sure Buhari is out. But if Buhari should win 2019 election, my people, you are all finished. If Buhari should win 2019 election, that's it. That's it. The zoo, Nigeria, is gone. So the only thing that's still holding Buhari back now, it is because of 2019. Can't you see that the Boko Haram, you remember what Buhari said before a few years ago, that the fight against the Boko Haram is the fight against the North. He know what he was talking about. He know that Boko Haram is their foot soldier, is the northern foot soldier. What the Boko Haram is doing is what the Quran commanded them to do. That's it. Look, I'm not here to target your religion. I'm here just to say the truth. You might not like what I'm saying. To hell with you and Buhari. The truth is what I'm here to talk about. You know, Buhari is a religion bigot. Buhari as a Muslim Buhari is that kind of Muslim who feel he can hurt a fellow Muslim, even though when that person is a terrorist. But it is Buhari's responsibility to tell that person, you know, just to rehabilitate that person. As far that person is a Muslim, he think he can rehabilitate that person. He have the same mind with them. That's unforgiving spirit. Buhari have the same mind with this terror. That's why we are saying that Buhari is the one sponsoring this terrorist Boko Haram in Nigeria. Nobody believe. You see, Once in a while, Buhari will be releasing them. The Boko Haram suspects, he will be releasing them. Because Buhari have that love for Islam and these terrorists. He knows that this terror, they are doing exactly what the Quran commanded them to do. That's why sometimes I ask Muslims, you are people, you are saying Boko Haram terrorist. Tell me one thing, this terrorist group, if it's ISIS or the Al-Qaeda or the Boko Haram or whatever, what they are doing now that your own prophet did not do. Tell me what they are doing now that your own prophet did not do in Quran. They can't let them come, because I have read the Quran 3 or 4 times. I know what is in there. Tell me, come and tell me what the Boko Haram is doing now. Anything the Boko Haram is doing, or the ISIS is doing, or the Al-Qaeda is doing that your prophet Muhammad did not do. Tell me. So they know that that's the reason Buhari has sympathy for this Boko Haram. He don't want to kill them. He think they can rehabilitate them because he know that they are doing what the Islam want them commanded them to do in Quran. But that is not what I'm here to talk about. What I'm here to talk about is to prove to you that Buhari want to do what they are doing in Lebanon. A situation whereby a terrorist group like in Lebanon, this Hezbollah have their own state. They have 2 or 3 states in Lebanon. The 2 or 3 states, they control that 2 or 3 states. They have their own economy. They run their own government, Islamic government inside Lebanon. So that is what Buhari is trying to do. That Boko Haram, if it is possible, is coming with that idea. That's why he's fighting now to win the 2019 election, so that he can, even if it is half of Borno, they can give that place Sabisa to Boko Haram. They will come and tell you it is what they did in Niger Delta. What they call it, they will be paying them the way they are paying the military. That is what Buhari is planning to do. That is what Buhari is planning to do. But we are ready for them. That is why, imagine, the Boko Haram, according to them, went to Dapchi in Yobe and kidnapped 100 and something girls. God. They kidnapped 100 and something girls. They returned them back. They brought them back the way they kidnapped them. In Nigeria, can you imagine? Listen, among all the governments of this world, no country have congratulated Buhari or send and say, oh, thank Nigeria, or they return the missing girl. No country, because they know, they are tired. They know Buhari know what is going on. They know it is politics now. When it happened before, the whole world, they were all shaking. How can that happen? When they now realize it is not coincidence. The Boko Haram is doing it because Nigerians, the Northerners, they are the one financing the Boko Haram. They are the one telling these people to come and kill to gain some political, for political gain. Because 2019 is coming. So they can do anything so that Buhari can win. Then they will not tell you they have to give the Boko Haram some, if it is half of Borno, you know, for them to have their Sharia community, and Nigeria will be funding them. And it will be very dangerous to us in the south, because they'll be paying them with Niger Delta oil money. It's opportunity for them to wage war against us and impose their Islam religion on the south. This is what they are doing. If for instance they want the girl released, they would have, you know, tell the Boko Haram, you know what, take this money, take this billion, because they pay them. Okay, release, drop the girl somewhere, let our army come and take it. Pick them up. No, they didn't do that. Buhari know what he's doing. Buhari didn't do that. He didn't say, okay, keep them somewhere, let our army come out. No. They said the Boko Haram to bring them to the city. The Boko Haram Islamic terrorists that the Nigerian army said they are looking for. I said it before that, how can the already defeated Boko Haram, technically, the already downgraded Boko Haram, they celebrate their flag, can still come and kidnap over 100 girls in Dapchi and still bring them back in broad daylight? In broad daylight. Where is our army? Where is our security force? Where is our police? Where is our army? They could not even fly a helicopter to locate and follow these people to their hideout. They did not even. Lai Mohammed, therefore yesterday we are telling us that they are the one who asked the army to make way for them. You are the one who gave that command. Nigeria is, when we say Nigeria